Guys, ito na. We're here. Look at it. Cute, diba?
Guys, leche, mas masarap to, yung rosé sangria. Ang sarap! Final walk back to the hotel na to, guys. With my water. Nag-stop tayo sa Tiano Down. Ito siya. So that's it. And then next stop na naman tayo. As in, ikot siya.
Dito ang mga buwis buhay shots ni Jax Reyes.
Good morning, guys. So it's the Milford Sound Day. Look outside my window. Ang ganda! Ang ganda nito. I only have 2 days here, so I have to maximize it. Ito na yung last day ko. Pag nakikita niyo yung may moon pa nga dyan, no? Baka hindi lang makita. May moon pa. Good morning, guys. And look outside. Ito siya. Grabe. Boosh. Ang ganda. So peaceful. No? See clouds pa. Morning, guys. So, ito na yung tour natin. So, first ako pinick up. So, I got it with Altitude Tours. And then, sa Klook ko lang siya binook. So, mas pinili ko yung smaller tour kasi, you know, it's easier. You have more time to go to places. And si Ash yung aming tour guide. I didn't ask permission to take her photo yet in video. So, mag-isa muna ako dito. And pinipick up niya yung other pasahero. Laki ng car na to. Ganyan kalaki to. O, diba? And guys, yan yung tour mo. Ganyan yung car mo pala. Tado, ang laki. O, diba? So, hindi talaga kayo magkakasikipan dyan. Ganda. Guys, always a reminder. Alam nyo naman, maaga talaga. Pag-pick up time ko 7:15. Pero, sa baba na ako, 7. 6:45, sa baba na ako. And then, pinick up ako ng 7:10 or 7:08, ganun. So, ang aga namin. Yun lang, final reminder ko lang sa inyo. Also be early. It's just respect for other people's time. Alam nyo naman eh. And alam kong paminsan gusto natin maging late, pero cannot, especially pag ganito mga tours. Ako, pag sa Japan, iiwanan ka talaga ng mga yun. They even have free wifi if ever you need. May wifi sila dito. So guys, may quick stopover kami here. And then, may honey shop daw dito. So syempre, titignan ko to. Kasi meron daw siyang floral na honey. Alam mo naman, as Filipinos, food. Cute ng honey nila, oh. I got honey. And the other thing is, guys, meron siya isang story na sinabi, yung Lake Waktipu. So may quick stopover ka sa Garston.
Edmund here just quickly.
And then dito ako bumili ng honey. Okay, first stop na, guys. So that was parang, oh my gosh, feeling ko magti 3 hours pala yun na ride. Kasi magta 10 na. And then, nasa Fjordland na kami. And I'll show you, that's my coffee kami, and I'll show you na nasa lake na. Guys, in yung city na, ito na yung city, parang stop. And then, my gosh, minsan, nahirapan ako tingin. Okay, so we can get coffee daw dito. We get coffee. Kasi umaga pa, kahit nagkape na ako sa kwarto, I think it's not enough. And alam mo ba, yung coffee shop namin? Oh my gosh, cute. Cute ng place. Guys, may mga snacks that you can buy if ever hindi ka bumili ng lunch. Pero bumili ako ng lunch. Guys, yung reserve table nyo if ever you decide to eat here. Meron daw isang bake shop sa tapat. And I have 20 minutes just to look at it. Ayan yung may baker. Ito daw sikat. Miles Better Pie. Oh, so yan daw yan. So parang, I think masarap daw yan. Yan o.
Uy, sama naman ako dyan. Alwayan yan.
Parang yung pie lang siya, yung kinakain natin. And I think hindi ako kakain because sayang lang siya if hindi ko siya maubos. Pero mukhang masarap naman yung buhay. I decided not to buy. Pero malapit na ako mabudol kanina. Pero guys, wag na lang. Kasi nakita ko yung lunch. Kumuha ako kasi ng lunch. You have to buy your own food. If ever hindi ka kumuha ng food, feeling ko this is the best time to buy your own food. Pero nakita ko yung lunch namin. Guys, ang laki ng sandwich. And then chicken sandwich ata yun. So for me, wag na. Kaysa naman, mamaya hindi ko pa maubos yung pagkain. Sayang. Guys, ito yung lake ko. Ang ganda, oh. Guys, ayan na yung lake. Oh. Okay, balik tayo sa bus. Anyways, ang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, I kinda like this. This might be more expensive for sure kasi mas maliit yung tour niya, 'di ba? It's a small group, around 10 or 12 lang kami dito sa loob. And maliit yung car mo, but malaki space mo sa car. It will definitely be more pricey because solo yung tour guide mo, but you stop in more locations. She explains a lot of different things, and si Ash yung tour leader namin here. She's also the driver actually. And the best thing here, ang dami yung mga stories like the Lake Wakitipu, yung lake, give me a sec. Pati ako baka mamaya mali yung pronunciation ko. So, Lake Wakitipu nga. So, actually, sabi nga niya, if you notice daw, pag naglalakad ka doon, makita mo, either per minute ba yun, it's nag-rise and fall yung water na yon. And there was an ancient history, yung back na folklore daw nila yon, na may love story daw yun back then. So, yung Lake Wakitipu, guys, if yung nakita mo daw, nag-rise and fall daw yung tubig na yon. It is because ganun daw yung parang body of water na yon. Pero may folklore na love story yun back then, na may pinatay na giant. And then, if you look at it on the top view, yung giant na yon, yun daw yung heartbeat niya. Nag-rise and fall. Kaya nag-rise and fall yung water. Kung peaceful yung water, it means the sleeping giant na namatay is at peace or okay siya, mood. If not, moody siya. Parang ganun daw yon.
Different times around New Zealand as well. These guys have got a lot later compared to the ones up in the North Island because of the temperature, of course. You guys that have maybe a big fan of Lord of the Rings as well, you'll notice driving through this forest, it feels like very Lord of the Rings, you know, like. So that's the other side of it as well. And people were crashing.
Nag-stop tayo sa Tianu Down. Ito siya. Ouch, ganda. And then pwede ka mag-take ng photo dyan sa isang spot. So, magpaparequest ako ng photo doon kay Ash. Yan siya, oh, Tianu Downs. And then, ito siya. That's how you're gonna see it. This way. And then, that's it. Cute. It's the Downs. Yan na siya. And then, get in the car ulit tayo. Tapos, mag-move ulit tayo. So, mabilis lang for a quick photo taking. In fairness, nakukulat na kailangan ko.
Still enjoy it, but the walking months are from November through to April. Rangers just walking up and down the road here, and they're actually tracking kiwi at the moment, so it must be up here. So these guys, of course, are nocturnal. They're being tucked up in their little burrows at the moment. Now, Doc actually used dogs to locate where.
Guys, may fun fact kanina sabi ni Ash. Kung nakita mo yung white streak na yan sa mountain, meaning daw niyan, streak na yan, meaning daw may tree na yung root niya sobrang ingrained daw doon sa mountain. And then pag nalaglag yun, nidrag daw niya lahat ng mga trees pababa. Kaya nagkaka-streak daw yan. Fun fact lang. So guys, ganun siya. And I think that's the mountain range that you can see there. Ang ganda. Yan yung mountain range. And diba, ang ganda niya. Sige, we're gonna take a photo here. Gosh, guys. Diba? So that's it. And then next stop na naman tayo, as in ikot siya. Small tours, yun yung maganda na you have more time to see what you want. Diba? Unlike big tours na you only have bilis, hindi na madali. So that's something that you can opt for. Guys, ito yung Monkey Creek. Cute, oh. Diba? Tapos hindi lang yan, may glacier pa sa taas. Like, meron pang natitirang konti. O, diba? Oh my gosh, look. Diba? Pretty. Ang ganda. Guys, may creek dyan, pero okay na ako. Parang hindi ko naman kailangan yung creek, pero cute siya. And then yun yung mountain mo. So pag sunny, you'll see the mountain. If not, if it's foggy, you'll not see it. Ganun siya. Ito na yung lunch namin. So we got a chicken and salad roll. May salad pa. And then may brownie. And a minty.
So we all aboard.
Guys, nandito na kami. Pero mainit. So, kailangan mag-shades. Guys, ito yung path mo. Papunta doon sa terminal. So, ganun siya. So, make sure you bring yung lunch namin. It's here na. And then, hindi sasama yung tour guide. So, dala ko na lahat ng mga gears ko. Diba? And then, ito yun. So, ito yung thing. Ito yung parang bus stop mo-ish. Ito na siya. Guys, ito na. So, we're going to our boat na. Diba? Nako, it's sunny. Alam mo, bakit hindi tayo bumaba, guys? Ang ganda. Yan na. Look how pretty it is.
I say cashew.
First bus sa atin, guys. Kasi pinakauna, parang sa pinaka-corner. There. Diba, maaraw. So, hindi ko in-expect na maaraw siya. Pero apparently, maaraw siya. So, sabi nila, if nandun ka sa tip ng boat, pwede ka mabasa ng waterfalls. So, it depends kung gusto mo yun.
Yeah.
Ibigay mo yung hi, thank you. Isa look at it, ang ganda. Pero gusto ko sa guys, yung boat. It's not that big, pero cute naman siya, diba? Quaint. So, nandito ako sa loob kasi ayoko naman sa labas. Kasi, pag sa labas, pwede guys. Labas. May outside seats ka rin. So, ito yung lunch na binigay nila. And ang cute ng nook ko here. So, may sandwich. Ay, may salad. Tapos may dessert. Wait, I'll show. Salad. I think ito yung dessert. And then may candy pa. Cute. Try natin kung masarap yung sandwich niya. Kumain na para at least tapos na later. Okay naman.
Guys, ito na. We're here. Look at it. Cute, di ba? Oh. So, medyo windy talaga siya. So, I have my own jacket naman nasa loob. And then, you have your cruise. You can eat your lunch para at least habang wala nangyayari, kumain ka na ng lunch mo. Then, kung may nangyayari, labas ka. Ganun yung best part. Guys, meron pa hot water. So, guys, meron silang stair, sugar, coffee, tea, everything's included with hot water. Unlimited yan. Guys, ganda oh. Guys, meron ka pang ganito oh. Like the upper. Sa taas ng deck pala maganda, mainit lang. Pero pag dito, maganda naman. Mainit. Cute na pala dito guys oh. Meron pang sa taas na upper. Guys, sobrang ganda niya. And feeling ko tama lang na pinuntahan ko siya. Kasi kahit na I only have technically 2 days in Queenstown, di naman, di ba? Worth it. Like, worth all your trips here.
I went down there to do that.
Guys, ito yung mga buwis buhay shots na nakasabit ako sa isang railway lang. But it's worth it. Ang ganda. Dito ang mga buwis buhay shots ni Jax Reyes para maganda sa video. O, diba? Ganyan. Nakatayo ka dito. Pero pwede ka naman sa baba, but always hand or hold the rails as in.
About 20
Ayan daw guys, kung may white ore daw yan. May gold daw.
That is copper ore oxidizing in the air. In 1990, the Yilgarn became a UNESCO World Heritage Park, and all future mining has been banned. These
Kasi
minerals,
minamain
they
daw
can't be
siya.
touched.
Ang breezy. Wait lang. Para alam mo saan na kayo. Oh my God. Guys, ayun o, dagat na yan. So pag ganyan na yan, sa dagat na daw siya. Guys, tingnan nyo oh. We're turning. Thank you.
I didn't like one up right.
So guys, pa-U-turn na yung boat. Ito na siya guys.
Is to be built for caving in this place after it gets for whales.
Ito na yun. Ito na yung parang ever famous na Milford Sound, di ba? Look. Itong in-between, yan talaga yan. Yan yung inaabangan ng lahat ng mga tao. Yan na yung waterfall, guys. Ayan na yan. Guys, may seal down.
That's the one I'll go for next. Yeah, I really like my Samsung. The only thing I don't like.
Guys, we're done. Ito na siya, natapos na, and we're back in the pier and we're going back to the car for another 4-hour back ride back to Queenstown.
Halfway na, guys. And may pit stop dito. And tinumunta ka na ng pimple ko. Kakaloka. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ano na? Nainitan ata. Pero dead man na, diba? So, tingin tayo kung anong merong food. Parang gusto ko ng drinks na. Yan daw, ganun daw kalaki yung ibon na yan. Yung wana ng ibon, yung extinct na daw. Ganyan daw kalaki yan dati. Kaya talagang, diba? Guys, ipa-drop na ako sa town proper. So, I wanna go around. It's my last night. And, syempre, I have to work rin. May konting work ako. So, I wanna find somewhere I can sit and eat and then do a meeting with. But, look, iba yun rin yung view right now pag nandito ka sa lake side. O, diba? Kakabili ko lang ng tinapay kanina. And look at the mga ibon, oh. So, marami rin pwede kumain dyan. O, diba? So, hahanap na ako ng isang pwedeng makainan. Choose to eat here kasi looks good siya. At meron siya sa labas, may view ka ng lake. Ito yung menu niya. Look! Cocktails as well. Pero please, if you're not of legal age, no drinking. Ayan, may sweet moments. May desserts pa sa likod. Guys, naku, ganda! So I recommend, if you eat here, yan yung view mo. Ganda, diba? As in, like this. So, I'll wait for my food and then I got some drinks as well. Tapos dito na rin ako mag-meeting. Ganon ang gagawin ko. So cute. Tingnan mo ang ganda ng sangria nila.
Yeah, they can sell it at a discount now. It's got to be when that's all been tested. But I got so much medicine.
I know.
I got.
Really?
I myself go 7 days. Just myself.
I had days ago when I
I got this lamb kasi parang they're known for lamb dito, di ba? So, feeling ko masarap to and parang specialty nila siya. Kasi merong brown na or peach na box siya.
Guys, let's try. Kasi in 30 minutes, I have a meeting. So, it's an focaccia, tapos meron siyang lamb here. Tapos parang may sriracha aioli siya sa taas. Tingnan natin yung tinapay. Alam mo yung tinapay niya mukhang masarap. Masarap. Ang bilis ng buhok ko. It's not giving yung buhok ko. Ang sarap. Hindi siya gamey. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, I made the right choice choosing this restaurant. Kasi pati sa Google review, mataas siya. Nasa 4-point-something stars. Thank you. Ang sarap, my gosh. Ito pa yung salad ko. Tingnan niyo, ang cute! This is the beetroot salad. Akala ko kasi kanina, puno-punong beetroot. Yung pala, maraming greens. Ang sarap. Okay. Solved ako. I love this place. Ito, feeling ko masarap rin tong salad. Guys, last night ko na. So, ito yung first dinner ko out. Kahapon ang dinner ko, hindi ko na pinakilala sa inyo. Punta ka grocery, di ba? Bumili ako ng salad sa isang bag. Tapos minix ko siya lahat. Para siyang taco salad. Naubos ko yung buong bag. Tapos lahat gulay lang yun. Carrots, cabbage, gano'n. Ito yung salad. Okay. Feeling ko masarap to. So may beetroot siya. And then whipped feta cheese naman tong kabila. Sarap, day.
Guys, ang sarap niya. Akala ko hindi siya masarap kasi ayoko masyado ng beets. Oh my gosh, whatever this is, ang sarap. Kasi parang kanina, kasama ko sa tour, si Mackenzie, sabi niya, I don't really like beets kasi lasang putik talaga. Sabi ko, alam mo, sinabi niya lasang putik yun. Sabi ko, nga, lasang putik talaga ang beets. Pero, you need salad. Pero ito hindi siya lasang putik. Nasa siyang mais, whatever this is. Nasa siyang mais, yung mais natin sa Tagaytay. Oh my God, yung puti. Ito guys, nasa siyang mais. Oh my God, itong whipped feta, ang sarap. Whatever this is, nakakaloka. Kaya ang tip ko guys, if ever bubok nyo yung same tour na yan, bumili na lang kayo ng mga steak and pie, ganun doon sa isang stop. Kasi may mga steak and pie doon, may food doon, tapos baon ka na lang. Or bumili ka ng food mo muna, tapos tapos dalhin mo sa tour mo. Mas masarap pa ganun. Ang sarap nito. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I made this choice. I have 30 minutes pa to eat. Guys, I got calamari pa. Ang dami kong kinain, pero okay lang yan. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Ang crunchy pa nito. Look. Oh my God. Ang sarap. My God. Pakinggan nyo ah. I rarely do that, pero pinaparinig ko lang sa inyo yan. Yun lang yun. Pero isa-stop ko na siya. Pero if ever you're here, not bad. Kasi may bakante siya, overlooking the lake view ka pa. Ano pang pipiliin nyo? Cocktails niya, I will try another. Yung sangria niya, feeling ko it's how it should be. Iba lang kasi sa Philippines, iba how we like our sangria. No drinking pag hindi ka pa of legal age. Guys, leche, mas masarap to yung rosé sangria. Ang sarap! Eto kunin nyo. This is my final box to dilim. I got this new sour candy. Sorry, ito yung pack niya. Get back ko. Ito. The natural. 50% less sugar na gummy. Good pa rin siya. I mean, I would always choose candies na mas less yung sugar. Hindi siya ganun katamis, pero may tamis pa rin. Kaya, will be a long walk, pero nakaya natin to. Wala na rin bus. Sayang rin yung Uber eh. Kaya naman nakarin. At saka guys, maliwanag oh. Diba? Not bad. You can also stay here sa mga lodges na to. Pwede rin yung option na yan. Kasi view mo lake rin naman. Iba lang yung doon syempre. And habang naglalakad, sakto may isa pa akong meeting kasi 5 o'clock pa lang sa Manila. So, let's do it! Meet! Gawin na lahat ng kailangan. Final walk back to the hotel na to guys. With my water. Malapit na. Good night guys. I have an early flight tomorrow so kailangan ko na matulog. And all my bags usually are packed na. So mga final stuff ko na kailangan ilabas tomorrow. And medyo naka-weigh naman ako kasi I have bonus maleta for both Star Alliance naman at saka for Cathay. So, kunin ko yan. I need to get it out and check in kagad tomorrow. Early talaga. Bye guys. To check out in a bit. It's 4:40 AM ang aga. Pero kasi maaga yung flight kasi hindi ako pwede makamiss ng flight. Kaya maaga talaga yung flight ko ngayon. So, okay na yan. Makakauwi na tayo. Marami tayo gagawin sa Manila. Ayun na. So, let's see our flight. 7 AM ang flight natin. Check-in open at 5:30. Kaya pala walang tao dito. Okay, sige later. I'm back. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito is first time natin sasakay ng Air New Zealand. And excited talaga ako. So since wala pa, medyo maaga tayo, okay lang. Gagawin natin. Pakita ko sa iyo sa airport kasi inisip ko ano pa ba. Food naman dito. Yun lang siya. Departure. Maliit. Guys, pwede tayo dyan kasi gold tayo. Let's try. Just inote mo lang, apparently, ang aga-aga pa ata, hindi pa pwede mag-check-in. So, 5:30 pa pwede. Kahit na 7 o'clock yung flight, naku day, 5:30 pa pala pwede. So, yun lang. I-note mo lang yan. Pero Qantas, on the other hand, is already open. 7 a.m. din yung flight. Si Air New Zealand, hindi lang weirdly, 5:30 pa siya. Which I would assume, sana open na siya. But, apparently, hindi. So, intay na lang. Check-in na tayo. And yes, may lounge daw. So, titignan natin siya. Guys, ito yung kay Air New Zealand 2 to 4. Ayan na yung Air New Zealand lounge. We go up. Taran! Merong lounge ang Air New Zealand pataas. Unlike others, guys. Ang aga ng flight natin. Oh my gosh. Cute naman lounge nila dito, guys. In fairness. Diba? Okay, I'll show you everything that you need to see here. The restroom. And by the way, look. Coffee is ready daw, pero wala pa yung hot foods. So, and mga drinks mo, all of your drinks are here. If ever you need, pwede na. Not bad. Oh yeah, may mga magazines ka pa. Not bad, ang laki ah. So on a normal day, ang laki nito. Look, you can work in all of your different corners. Ayan pa oh. So yung food is here pala, 6 o'clock yan. So malapit na rin naman. So that's all of your lounge here in Air New Zealand Lounge to guys. Ano tayo? Cappuccino. Bawal na ba siya kung mag-order? Cute. At saka meron pa silang cafe or bar here. Tapos may strawberries. Macadamia. Cute oh. May ganun chocolate fish. Guys, may food pa here oh. So meron pa lahat ng coke mo, sodas, may wine, pero 8 to 8:30 lang. 8:30 a.m. lang siya pwede. And then, ice machine mo, o diba, water. Now, syempre, ang tatanong sa akin, food nandito. May, oh my god, may booster shots, parang cute niyan. And then may fruits, Greek yogurt, may caramel. This looks good. Croissant. And then may tomato sauce. Wala pa daw hot food, so later darating yan. May wheat. Oh my god, gusto ko try yung wheat bix na yan. Feeling ko lasang cardboard yan, pero feeling ko type ko yung mga ganyang pagkain. And may cereals. Fruit, strawberry, and then may jams, and then may breads. Oh my god, parang mayroong squeezed butter dyan na cute. And then may spicy fruit loaf. Sige, kuha tayo yan. So guys, may coffee na ako. And then, nakakatawa. Got a funny story. So si ate kanina, sabi niya sa akin, nakita niya kumuha ako nito. Then sabi niya, that's gonna be very dry. Kailangan ko daw siya lagyan ng milk at saka warm milk daw yung mas masarap dyan. So nakakatawa. Pero gusto ko na i-try itong dalawang bato. Since hindi pa ako nagbabato sa New Zealand and they say you have to have butter, cheese, and ganyan. Try natin yung cappuccino niya. Tapos ang tawag nila dito trim. So yung skim milk na tawag nila trim milk. Ay, masarap. Heavenly. Okay. Whole day flying tayo today, guys. Ito yung chocolate fish. Marshmallow lang pa sa loob, guys. Tamis. Pero masarap. Pero tamis. Ito na. Hindi man sobrang dry. Okay naman siya. The way I like to eat my bread. Mas masarap siya sa bread. Sarap. 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 Okay, pinapay tayo.
Henry's, please. Oh my God, by the way, alam niyo ba, itong likod na to, ang tawag pala niyan is a silver fern. Tapos, yung silver fern na yan yung ginagamit ng mga campers or mori na, yung yesterday na natutunan ko to, na parang to find their path sa camp nila or back to their whatever site. Ito daw, finiflip nila yan kasi yung kabilang side daw niya silver. Ayan, try natin. So, may sausage, may egg, at saka may tofu sila. So, let's try the sausage. Namag. Itong tofu kaya. Curry. Parang curry tofu. Not bad din, ah. Egg. Pwede rin. Guys, ito yung kainan natin. Whole day kain. Wala akong zooming kainan. Hash brown. Ano ba? Ito yung hash brown. Ang mashed potato sa loob. Ito yung isang sarap. It's like strawberry and macadamia bliss. Try natin. Maasim-asim. Napad. Dijon at saka yung chickpeas. Ito ang sarap. You should get this.
Guys, yung cute ito. Ayun yung 747 sa likod.
Hi, morning.
Diamond Air New Zealand.
Hello, how are you? Lovely,
Thank you.
Bye.
17A tayo, guys. 17A. You have your books, pamphlets, magazines, a chair, a table, tapos yung pouch, and that's it. Tapos bag ko, guys, kasi naka-backpack ako. Lalagay ko siya sa harapan. Sa baba pala. Mapad yung hindi siya masikip po. Mas maluwang siya than Jetstar.
Place every item of luggage in the lockers. Welcome aboard.
I got a window seat kasi gusto ko makita yung take-off. Sada may araw na, please. Kasi maganda daw talaga yan. I did not get a window seat when arriving in Queenstown kasi mali ko yun. That's my bad.
Ito yung hindi ko napuntahan yung Rotorua na sinasabi nila Vince and Yosho.
If an emergency were to happen during takeoff or landing,
Good order ah. Masarap. Kaya kami. Oat na may brown. Not bad. Kakaiba.
It means we're 30 minutes away from Auckland. Claim. Guys, ay international transfer. Sabi nila, it's either my car or may bus pala daw or maglakad ka. Yung lakad is like 10 minutes. So for me, lakarin ko na lang, 10 minutes lang eh. International terminal. So sinabi nila, international terminal, ayan, just follow the green road. Yan yung sinabi nila. So I'll just follow the green line. A 10-minute walk, pero carry boom boom na yan. Let's try. Hindi ko kasi presko pa yung hangin. O diba? May araw lang na naman. Ito na naman tong araw na to. Ayan, green road daw. In fairness, ang cute nitong green road nila ha. I like this so much. It makes it so easy for customers and passengers just to find the international terminal. In Auckland, you don't have parang iisa lang daw ang kanyang airport, walang terminal siya. It's the same with Queenstown. Iisa rin lang daw ang terminal niya. Ito talaga ang why I like to test out the luggage and nilalakaran ko. Gusto ko kayang tapatan yung paghaharabas ko sa kanya. There you go. Diretso lang. Guys, if nanonood pa rin kayo ng video na to, please let me know if you like this kind of format na video. So, I will include more of the flights, trains, if ever I ride a train or even a boat or a cruise sa mga travels ko. Para at least, mas may something sa video. And because I personally love flying, so mas gusto ko yung part na yon. Baka mas marami pa ako masabi. And then I'll put some of the tours that I go to inside out and what I eat. In fairness, malapit na tayo. Yan na siya. International, you see AKL, yun na yun. Ayan pa rin yung green line, o diba? Ayan na yan, departure. There you go. That was a nice walk. Guys, recommend ko lakarin nyo kung kaya. Pag may senior, I recommend wait for the bus every 15 minutes. Nandiyan naman daw yun.